Configuring Google Analytics segments is a powerful way to analyze specific groups of users and gain deeper insights into their behavior. To start, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Admin section. In the Admin section, click on the view you want to work with and then click on the segmentation option. A segment is a subset of your data, and you can create segments based on various criteria such as demographics, location, device, and behavior. To create a new segment, click on the New Segment button and choose from the predefined templates or start from scratch. When creating a segment, you can set conditions based on user characteristics, such as age, location, or device type. You can also set conditions based on user behavior, such as pages visited, events triggered, or goals completed. Use the and/or operators to combine conditions and create more complex segments. For example, you can create a segment for users who are between 25 and 45 years old, live in the United States, and have made a purchase in the last 30 days. This segment will help you analyze the behavior of your most valuable customers and identify opportunities to increase sales and engagement. To apply a segment to your reports, simply select the segment from the drop-down menu at the top of the report. You can also apply multiple segments to compare different groups of users. Use the comparison feature to analyze the differences between segments and identify trends and patterns. Best practices for configuring Google Analytics segments include keeping your segments simple and focused, using clear and descriptive names, and regularly reviewing and updating your segments. You should also use segments in conjunction with other Google Analytics features, such as goals and events, to gain a more complete understanding of your users and their behavior. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics segments and gain deeper insights into your users and their behavior. This will help you make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing strategies to drive more sales, engagement, and revenue.